Brandy, and I am back with another project share. This project is a photo folio with a display box that I came up with. I really liked the way it came out. My husband had challenged me to do something that was more dimensional, so this is what I came up with. I used the Graphic 45 Master Detective 8x8 collection. I really liked this paper. I just like the vintage. I'm a big Sherlock Holmes fan, so I really liked the collection, so I decided that I was going to make a box with a photofolio in it. So on my front, I made a frame out of chipboard and then wrapped it with design paper, and then I made my box. My box measures 5.5. Hi, Tux. Alright, you're in the way. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, goodbye. So, excuse the interruption. The box is 5.5 by 7.5, and then it's 1 inch deep all around. Let's see. So here I just used the signature papers and other papers and cut out small elements, such as like the little banners and the characters and the bookshelf. The backing paper is the spider paper, and then I laid it on top. To get the dimension on the frame, you look here on the side, this orange is actually like kids' fun foam. So I used that to pop up my whole frame so that it wasn't squishy in any spot, so I wouldn't have any sagging, and it had good support. And then I used fun foam and pop dots all behind my characters, and all of my characters, when I fussy cut something, I always back them on lightweight like cardstock and cut them out that way. Alright, Tux, you can't, no. Goodbye, Tux. So let's see, this is what we have in here. So inside the box, oh, and here's the back. I just cut out one of the cards and put it on the back. So let's look it upside. So here is the photo folio. It measures 5.5 by 7.25. Yeah. Is it still 5.5? Yeah, okay, cool. And let's see, and then it is 3/4 of an inch wide on the back spine. The two smaller front spines are 1/4 of an inch. So let's see, here I took design paper and then layered up one of the elements, and then I put some of the belly band. It's closed with magnets. There are 4 magnets, so 2 on this side and 2 on this side. And then I have a large belly band. I used some of the cut aparts here, and then you can slide photo mats back here. You can put a couple of photo mats. It's got a good amount of give. And then it opens up this way, and then there's a 3x4 element here with a large tall side pocket. I did the side pocket so that I could get good tall, like it fits 4x6 photos with no problem. I think you could probably even do like a cut down, like matted 5x7 if you wanted. And then here, to make this pocket, I took a bunch of the elements and glued them all together and then layered them. So these are all the characters from the cards, and then you have the border strip, and then actually a piece of scrap like paper. And then the photo mats sit behind it. And again, I backed these all with black card and then made a pocket out of them. Then you flip it over this way, and again it's the same thing. I cut him out from the signature paper. This is a border strip, and then a piece of leftover scrap paper from making my pages, and then everything tucks behind. And here you have a tuck behind, and then again another 3x4 element, and I did another tall pocket. So I don't know if I can get the whole thing in video, but this is what it all looks like all the way across when it's fully open. And these pages are 5 1/8. So they're a little bit shorter, so they tuck in on the inside. So it folds up like that, and it just slides right back into its storage box, and you can set it up on a shelf. It'll look neat and cool up on a shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I will see you guys again soon. Thanks, and see you later.